Hello, everyone. Welcome to Master Azerbaijani Weekly Recap. Let's see, what did we learn this week? We learned how to say Ailə for family. We learned Baş Tacı for those who are technically, that the word means, crown on my head for your most dearest ones. We learned Köçmək for moving houses and relocating. We learned Ürək. Technically, those with courage need to have a heart. We learned how to say Qohum, something very important in Azerbaijan, relative, kin, and family member. Uşaq for kiddos. And Həyat Yoldaşı, a gender neutral word for spouse, wife, or husband. And yes, how can we forget the dad joke uses? I said bedtime, my Uşaq filed an appeal. Just be ready and go for it. My Həyat Yoldaşı suggested a quick tidy up, and suddenly we were reorganizing the whole house. My AİLE has more group chats than my office, and none are muted. Do you mind when a go home shows up unannounced? Now, quiz time. Which word also means courage? Drop it in the comments below, and don't worry about the letters that you don't have in your keyboard. Letters like sh, just type in with the closest match. All right? Thanks for watching. Make sure to come back next week because we'll be learning every single week on a new topic. And remember, consistency is the fluency. But until then, check out masterazofj.com. I'll see you tomorrow for a new word. Bye-bye.